What is up, everybody? Chris Gallo, Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions, out here in the South Coast, doing one of the most favorite things I love to do, site visit videos when we're highlighting the lending division. As you know, we have a lot of great borrowers that utilize our capital for their flip projects or their hold projects, and I love to come check these out from time to time when everything works out. So I'm actually down the South Coast checking out a few other deals. I was able to shoot over to this property that we're gonna go take a look in right now. This baby was purchased a few months ago. Quick renovation. I'm told superficial renovation, didn't need much. So let's go check that out. And then it's already under agreement selling this week. So congrats to the borrower on that. So let's go inside, check things out, and then I'll be back out to wrap things up with you. Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions, baby. Happy Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions Friday. Down here on the South Coast, like I said before, and we're just taking a quick view from the outside. It looks like some minor exterior work was done. I think there was some soffit work done on the trim up there on the gable. I think he did a nice little power wash. There might have been some landscaping done here. The foundation looks painted. So these are all things. It looks like he tied the gutter system in to the underground drainage. These are all things we like to see when we show up. It shows that, you know, the borrowers did a good job cleaning the property up. Curb appeal looks good. Even looks like he installed this little mailbox here, which looks good. As we come around the side, I don't know if he added these windows or not, but we'll go check that out. But definitely some work to the foundation here. That's good. He's got a cute little yard here. So this is in a really cool spot. You can actually see off in the distance the water, which is always nice. But this is a cool little spot, cool little yard. Looks like he painted the door for sure, maybe the shutters. Looks like there was a power wash done, potentially, and definitely put in some mini splits, it looks like. So that's always a very nice upgrade for people. So let's go inside, see what we got here. But this is a cute little house. I'm not surprised that it's already under agreement and selling this week. Stay tuned. Let's go check it out and see what was done. As we enter, looks like he, touched up the front door, touched up the porch here. Looks like it was painted, walls and floors. And as soon as we come in, I can see that he's refinished the hardwood floors. They're a tiny bit dirty just because all the traffic, but you can tell he refinished them. Probably just needs to do a final clean before they sell. Walls are done, ceilings are repainted. I think the windows were already here. As you come this way, this is your little dining area. Looks like he upgraded the kitchen. Didn't do the appliances, but definitely did cabinets, countertops, as well as fixtures here. Looks like he put in, as I said, outside some mini splits everywhere, so you got your heat. But he does have baseboard heat as well, so that functions as your heat and your air. Bathroom, looks like he did the flooring. Might have kept some of the original fixtures if they were in really good shape. And that's always a win. Added the LED light for a cool little, feature or touch there. Let's hit upstairs and then we'll go back down. So it looks like he might have painted this, added the railing. Again, he wasn't trying to over improve this. He had a buyer, said they just wanted kind of a fluff job. And that's what he did. He did the big stuff. The paint, added the mini splits. Definitely looks like he, did the floors and the walls. So that's good. Repainted everything, added new hardware to freshen it up. That's good. Here's another bedroom upstairs, same thing. And as I actually look over here, it looks like he redid the roof too. Those are architectural shingles. They look like they're pretty newly done. I'll follow up with them on that. But again, this is a classic example of not over improving a property, knowing your price point. This is a lower price point, first time home buyer price point here in the South Coast. And I respect that. He didn't over improve it, but he did what he needed to do to hit his number. And we could talk through that more because that is a strategy. When I do projects, I tend to over improve them sometimes, but that's okay because our stuff always sells. And we always, I don't want to say always because nothing's set in stone, but we typically make our money back. But this is definitely a strategy as well. So you don't want to be caught over improving and then having a property that you can't offload. So great job so far. Let's go check out the basement and then we'll wrap this up. Here we go. All right, as we're walking down here in the basement, I can already tell you, looks like he repainted everything white, which is always nice and bright. Definitely did some plumbing here. There's definitely some new plumbing I can see. Lights work. Heating system was existing. That's why I think he added the mini splits. But this just brightens things up down here. Shot the walls, shot the floor. Looks like he put in a new hot water tank. Heating system was original, or not original, but existing. Looks like the electrical panel was existing as well. But definitely cleaned things up, which is good. So all in all, I think it was a really good job. Did what needed to be done, didn't over improve it. Let's go wrap this thing up outside. All right, what's up everybody? As we wrap this site visit up, successful site visit down here on the South Coast. Congratulations to the borrower on getting this property under agreement and sold, closing this week. Just to reiterate some points, did the big stuff. Did the roof, made sure the siding is in good shape, did some exterior work, came in, did the kitchen, updated the bath as needed, freshened this one up. So this was not a really heavy lift from a renovation standpoint, but he nailed it. He did the items he needed to do so he could get a great buyer in this really nice little area of the South Coast. So remember, for all your flip needs, for all your hold needs, call us first. We do new construction, condos, single family, multifamily, 500 to 5,000 square feet. We fund them all because we're flip and hold funding, hard money, made easy.